Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. I want to continue vectors, and in this particular lesson, I'm going to solve a problem about vectors. As you see, we are going to find the magnitude of vector v and theta and angle. What is the problem? Problem says we have a boat. This is a river. The water goes from left to right with w, with the vector of w. This is the velocity of water. W is the velocity of water, 1.2 meter per second. As you know, the velocity is a vector because both has a speed as a magnitude and then direction. Because we have a direction, we use this vector. Okay, velocity of water is from left to right with this arrow, and 1.2 meter per second. Okay, you can use this kind of problem in physical science courses too. Okay, but actually is based on the calculation of vectors. Okay, this is water. How about the B? The vector B is boat engine. We have a boat. Boat is going to go across this river. This is a river, but the engine of the boat just run this one from this point to that point. This is vertical. This is the engine of this of the boat. This is the velocity of engine is 4.8 meter per second. Okay. This is a engine velocity and this is water. They just we can add these two, this vector with this vector, and as a result we have this vector. We call this vector. This is the result of adding of w and b, because the direction of both is actually the result of these two velocity. Okay, what is the v and what is the magnitude of v and what is the theta of this result with horizontal? Okay, it's easy. We had it before because we don't have any theta here. Just we know that this is we have a right triangle here. This one, we have the magnitude of this actually is 1.2. And this one is the boat engine is 4.8 meter per second. In this right triangle, you have this leg and this leg. As we use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared gets v squared. Yeah. Okay, so what is v? V squared is equal to what? 4.8 squared plus 1.2 squared v squared, take v squared, take square root of both sides, 4.8 squared plus 1.2 squared, and the result is v v is the radical of this one. If you use calculator, okay, I bring my calculator. This one is how much is going to be? It is actually, this is the magnitude of this one is 4.9477 something. Yes, but just use this one. Just we need one decimal because of the problem gives us with one decimal in physics. When the problem says one decimal, you use the one decimal. How can we find the one decimal of this? 4.9 for something is 4.9. Okay, one decimal here as given and decimal. Okay, this is the magnitude of V. The V is the velocity of this one is 4.9 meter per second, right? The boat goes this way, not this way. Goes this way with magnitude of 4.9 meter per second. Okay, what is the theta? Theta, this angle of this result with water direction or horizontal. How can we find this? In this right triangle, you see that we have all of them. We can use cosine of this one, gets the adjacent over this one we have, or we can say the opposite over hypotenuse. But usually, if we don't have this one, we can use the tangent. Tangent of theta, we know that this is opposite side over adjacent side. Yes, what is this? Opposite side of theta is 4.8. This is 1.2 meter per second. This is 4, yes? Okay, tangent is 4, tangent of theta, but we are looking for theta. What is this one? We use arc tangent. Arc tangent of 4 is what? Just check your mode on your calculator and take shift and tangent. Is arc tangent of this one gets theta is actually 75.963. Okay, this. But as I told you, this is the best thing is one decimal because it's given by the one decimal. We can say this is theta. Theta is equal to actually 70.5. This is, we can say 9, but after 9 is 6. So the better thing is we round this. 6 gets something to 9, 1 to 9, and it gets 0. Yeah. 76 degree. Okay, this is the theta. Theta you can find as, usually we can say tangent because the opposite over adjacent if we have it. But in this case, because we found this one, we can use the sine of this, opposite over this, or adjacent over this one. Depends of the given information you have. Okay, sometimes you have this one and sometimes not. Just look at this one and find a possibility. Okay, hope you like this kind of example of this vectors. Actually, we add these two vectors. These two vectors was velocity, speed with direction. This direction, the result is this direction. Okay, and magnitude of that one. Magnitude of that one was this velocity of the result, and we got the theta of this. Anytime you have a physics problem or math problem, just look at the problem and you can write down anything you have, anything that problem gives you. Sometimes you have this one, but not these two, but angle. Sometimes in this case, we had these two legs, not this one, not angle. Depends on this one. I try to come back with another kind of question from physical science course with a little bit different. Maybe I give you this one, but these two components are missing. Okay, but I give you this theta. Okay, hope you like this one, but try to share this kind of videos with other students who need this kind of information. And I wish you good luck. See you later.